friends, this is Srinivasaram Shetty. Welcome back to my channel Square Root. This is the channel where you learn different mathematical concepts and mathematical tricks, not by mugging up the steps, perhaps by understanding how each trick works. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon below to get the notifications. Today, I will be going to teach you a trick to square a number. What is squaring a number? It is nothing but multiplying a number by itself. Consider 32 square. Write a slash after one digit from the right hand side. Now, write the square of 3. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. But write it in 2-digit format. How do you know it is 2-digit format? We have written the slash after one digit from the right hand side. 1 into 2 is 2. So write it as 2-digit format. 904. Now, we have written a slash after one digit from the right hand side. Do the same thing here. Now, multiply the digits to the left hand side of the slash and the right hand side of the slash and 2. That is 3 into 2 into 2. That is 12. Write 12 to the left hand side of this slash. Drop 4 as it is and add this 102. 1024. This is our answer. Another example, 68 square. According to the trick, write a slash after one digit from right hand side. Write square of 6, that is 36. Write square of 8, that is 64. We have written a slash after one digit from right hand side. Repeat the same thing here. Multiply 6, 8 and 2. 6 into 8 is 48. 48 into 2 is 96. Drop 4 as it is. Add this. Four, 6, 2, 4. This is our answer. Now let's consider some bigger examples. Consider 1217 square. 1217 square. Here, write a slash after two digits. Write 12 square, that is 144. Write 17 square. 17 square is 289, but we have written slash after two digits from the right. 2 into 2 is 4, so we have to write it in 4-digit format. So we have to write it as 0289. Here we have written a slash after two digits, so repeat the same here. Multiply 12, 17 and 2. 12 into 17 is 204. Into 2 would be 408. Add 89, drop 89 as it is, so it would come here. Add this 402, 408, it would be 810. This is 14,810,89. This is our answer. Let's consider another example. Consider 1516 square. 1516 square. Write a slash after two digits from right hand side. Write 15 square, 225. Write 16 square. 16 square is 256. But we have written slash after two digits from the right hand side. 2 into 2 is 4. So we have to write it in 4-digit format. So to write it as 0256. We have written slash after two digits from right hand side. Repeat the same thing here. Now multiply 15, 16 and 2. 15 into 16 is 240, into 2 would be 480. Write 480 here. Drop 56 as it is. Add this. Two 298,256. This is the answer. Consider few more examples. Consider 116 square. Write a slash after one digit from right hand side. Write 11 square, that is 121. 6 square, that is 36. Write one slash here. 11 into 6 is 66. 66 into 2 is 132. Drop 6 as it is and add here. One, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 116 square. Now we have written a slash after one digit. Can we do by putting a slash after two digits? Yes, we can do it. Here I am showing how to do by putting a slash after two digit. The same principle what we did before applies here. Write 1 square, that is 1. 16 square, 256. But you have to write in 4-digit format because we have written a slash after two digits from the right hand side. 2 into 2 is 4. So I have to write it in 2-digit format. We have written a slash after two digits. So put a slash here also after two digits. Now multiply 1, 16 and 2. That would be 32. Drop 56 as it is. Add this 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same answer we got in both the cases. Now let's see how does the trick work. In 32 square, we wrote a slash after one digit from the right hand side. 3 is separate number and 2 is separate number. 32 can be written as 3 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 and 2 is single digit number. 1217 square, we wrote a slash after two digits from the right hand side. We treated 12 as a separate number, 17 as a separate number. 1217 can be written as 12 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 17, where 17 is a two digit number. So in general, we can write it as A into 10 to the power of n plus b, where b is a number of n digits. We did a square of this. This would be a square into 10 to the power of n square, that is 10 to the power of 2n plus 2 into a into 10 to the power of n into b plus b square. A square into 10 to the power of 2n is nothing but a followed by 2n number of zeros. 2n zeros plus b square. B has n number of digits. So b square has maximum of 2n number of digits. That is the reason why I said as if you are considering n as 1, in this case write a 4 in 2-digit format. If you are considering n as 2, in this case write the square of 17 in 4-digit format. So here it would be a followed by zeros, where where number of zeros is 2a, plus b square. B square is maximum of 2n digits, plus this one 2ab into 10 to the power of n. Above b square we have 0, 2n number of zeros. So b square comes as it is because b square can have maximum of 2n digits. Sorry, this is a square. So a square comes as it is. Plus 2ab into 10 to the power of n. That is 2ab followed by zeros n number of times. That is n zeros. Now, so if I rewrite or reformat, it would be a square plus b square, a square followed by b square plus 2ab followed by n number of zeros. When I have n number of zeros, all the digits above these zeros will come as it is. That is what it happened. All the digits above these zeros came as it is. Here it was 89, it came 89. Here it was 4, where n is 1, 4 came as it is. And for the remaining digits, we added 2ab. So this is how this trick works. I would end the session for this week here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Next week, I'll be coming up with new tricks for squaring. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.